You've been told a lie. You've been told that you could save your way to wealth. But here's the ugly truth. Saving is for consumers. The only thing a savings account will actually do for you is guarantee you a front row seat to inflation eating your money alive. The real game isn't just about saving, it's about leveraging. The blueprint for making work optional isn't found in a savings account. It's found in an asset that puts money back in your pocket while you sleep. Stop waiting to save 20% down. The money is in the hustle. Learn the only blueprint that matters in the link in my bio or description below. And of course, saving is very, very important. I don't want to make it sound like saving is not, but you don't need necessarily 20% down to get your first duplex, triplex, or fourplex. With a conventional or FHA loan, a lot of times all you need is 3.5% and some reserves, and you'll be good to go. Boom!